A voice of pure soul has fallen silent. Bobby Whitlock is gone. On August 10, 2025 at 1:20 a.m., Bobby Whitlock, legendary singer, keyboardist, songwriter, and co-founder of Derek and the Dominos, passed away peacefully at his home in Texas. He was 77 years old, surrounded by his family and loved ones, following a brief but courageous battle with cancer. His passing marks the end of a chapter in rock history, yet the echoes of his voice will never fade. Born March 18, 1948, in Memphis, Tennessee, Whitlock grew up immersed in the rich rhythm and blues heartbeat of the South. As a teenager, he made history as the first white artist signed to the famed Stax Records, breaking barriers in a racially divided era. His soulful playing could already be heard on tracks like Sam and Dave's I Thank You. In 1968, he joined Delaney and Bonnie and Friends, where fate brought him together with Eric Clapton, Carl Radle, and Jim Gordon, a meeting that would change music forever. That friendship gave birth to Derek and the Dominos, the band behind the iconic 1970 double album Layla, and other assorted love songs. Whitlock co-wrote timeless gems such as Bell Bottom Blues, Tell the Truth, and Why Does Love Got to Be So Sad, and played the unforgettable piano exit on Layla, a hauntingly beautiful passage he credited to Rita Coolidge. Beyond the Dominos, Whitlock's artistry touched countless projects. He played on George Harrison's All Things Must Pass, My Sweet Lord, What Is Life, and even contributed, without official credit, to the Rolling Stones' Exile on Main St. His solo career flourished in the 1970s with albums like Raw Velvet, and he remained a sought-after collaborator for decades. In later years, Whitlock found both love and music with Coco Carmel, marrying her in 2005. Together, they toured, recorded, and kept the spirit of classic rock alive. Offstage, he explored painting, exhibiting his work to acclaim. In 2024, his lifetime of contributions was honored with a star on the Beale Street Walk of Fame. Though his voice is gone, Bobby Whitlock's soul in every chord, lyric, and brushstroke remains eternal. How will you remember his life and legacy? Tell us in the comment box.